Hey, we are back today with another street photography POV session in Geneva, Switzerland. Once again, I shot everything on the 85mm. Switzerland is a pretty small country, so the biggest cities like Geneva or Zurich are definitely not comparable to anything like New York, Paris or Tokyo. So the 85mm I think is pretty appropriate here. I mean, I like to shoot people. Shooting people in the quite large alleyway we have in our cities with a 35 or maybe a 28mm is pretty hard to do, I think, and the 85 is perfect for that. And of course I like everything that comes with the 85. You have this nice compression effect, you have a shallow depth of field, so that's why I chose once again to go with the 85. So enough talking, let's get right into the POV. Enjoy! So let's end up this episode with a quick picture analysis. Here we have two very similar shots, but the one on the right is the one that made it into the POV because the composition is way better, it's way stronger in my opinion. The subject is in the middle of the frame, but it's also in the middle of this frame, within the frame, which is made by these two buildings. On the opposite side, on the left, the subject is too much on the left and overlapping the building here, which breaks the whole composition, I think. And it took only 2 steps on the left to readjust and recompose, but if I was lazy to do them, or if I did not notice at the time of shooting, I would have missed the shot. Luckily, the subject was standing like this, maybe for 30 seconds or 1 minute, so I had plenty of time to do my things. But I wanted to show this example to, once again, emphasis on the fact that composition is probably the number one factor, the number one component to make a good photo, I think. Okay, bye-bye.